What is up, Tube? It's Thanksgiving Eve, Wednesday. Let's do this.
Every day is a win. Since I was told that you don't want me, baby, you're just calling. You know I try to hold on to where I saw you.
What is up, Tube? And welcome back to another edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. Guys, today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, here in the LA Basin, we hardly ever get rain, but the next 2 days are going to be filled with rain. So, Thanksgiving's kind of messed up. There's going to be no Thanksgiving. Not that there's not going to be no Thanksgiving, but there's going to be no Thanksgiving outside. So we got to alter our plans. So our Thanksgivings are going to be split up this year. Going to mom's for a little while, staying at my girl's house for a little while, and we're going to do both spots. But today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. And guys, if you've been a barber in the past, you know that today is definitely one of the biggest 5 grind days of the year. Everybody gets haircuts today, and I don't know, a lot of shops are closed on Thursday. I understand it's a family day and everything, but at Big Al's Barbershop, it's already a tradition. We stay open on Thanksgiving Day. So Thanksgiving Day, we are open. I have my book open from 7 in the morning till noon. So it's going to be an early morning grind day. So normally, in the past, I would take Thanksgiving off. I would work today and take Thanksgiving off and do my turkeys in the morning for our Thanksgiving dinner. But this year, since it's raining and I'm short-handed, what I decided to do is I'm going to do my turkeys tonight, the day before Thanksgiving, because I deep fry my turkeys. So I'm going to deep fry my turkeys tonight and get it all over done. That way, tomorrow morning, I can still go back and do some grind. You know what I mean? But guys, when you're short-handed, you're the boss, you know, and you know it's going to be busy. And they need you there. It's no time to take a day off, you know. And guys, and when you're a leader, you're the leader of your company. You know, I like to lead by example. So I can't just tell my boys, I need you guys all to show up and handle it, and I'm gonna stay home. No, it doesn't work that way. Not with me anyway. So I delegated myself. So this year I'm working Thanksgiving Day. So for that reason, I'm making my turkeys tonight. So I got a big day ahead of myself because today's gonna be crazy. I already know yesterday was pretty crazy, so today's gonna be crazier. I already see it coming, but that's okay. That's what we want. We want crazy. We want crazy busy. We want crazy busy all day. That's what we get. That's what we want. So as far as appointments go, I got probably 4 appointments booked today so far, and I have about 4 for tomorrow. So you know, people still don't want to book. So, but that's okay. The people that do book, I'm going to take care of because, you know, I appreciate them taking that extra effort, spending a little bit of extra money to get that service of being the first in line. So, you know, that comes with that service. So days like today is when people are going to realize that making an appointment is more super convenient and better for them. Today's going to be the day they're going to find out, but today is going to be busy, and I'm going to be, you know what I mean, shuffling clients, and I'm going to be telling them, like, you don't have to wait 2, 3, 4 people. You know, they should have booked an appointment. So today's gonna be interesting, needless to say. So I'm almost at the shop. I'm gonna get started on this day, guys. I hope you guys are grinding today, because today is definitely a grind day, and you should be grinding, because if you're not grinding, you better be off. You better be on vacation like J-Lo and Raul. But if not, you guys should be grinding today. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to shop, get started on this day. Right now, it's barely 7:58. It's about to be 8 o'clock. So, getting started early this morning. Let's do this. You guys have a blessed day. So, right now, it's already 12:20. I've been busy all morning. But you know what, guys? It's been kind of slow even for the day before Thanksgiving. But, you know, here in, I don't know if you guys can tell behind me, it's raining. It's been raining all day today. So I know the weather's a drag all the time on business, especially here in California, especially. I don't know where you guys are from, but here in California, it doesn't rain much. So when it does rain, it does slow business down quite a bit. But you know, I mean, it's not like we haven't been working. It's not like, you know, the guys that have been working, but it's just I would expect the seats to be a little bit more full with people, and they're kind of just been trickling in. You know, I even had to send out a post notification through my app saying that we weren't that busy in case somebody thought that we were going to be busy. And it was interesting what that gentleman told me. That gentleman told me that yesterday he noticed a text that I sent out, a post notification saying that we were going to be busy, to make sure if you didn't want to wait. I told him, make sure, bring your patients. If not, book an appointment. That's what I put down. And he said, oh, I knew you guys were going to be busy, but since you said, I was driving by and I noticed you said you guys weren't busy, so we stopped by and they got in a chair right away. So it worked out perfect for them. You know, and it works out. That's what the good part about having post notifications, because you can send that little text out to all your clients that have your app, and they're gonna get a notification on their phone saying like, "Hey, hold on, there's something going on here." You know what I mean? So it's definitely works, guys. It definitely works. But you know, it's still early. It's only 12 o'clock right now. We have 5 more hours to go, and I guarantee you it's gonna get crazy. And we still have tomorrow. You know, like I said, we're open on Thanksgiving, so we're open till noon. So it's definitely going to be busy tomorrow also. So with that being said, I'm going to get some lunch real quick, go back over there and finish this day off strong. I hope you guys are grinding. Don't forget, after this, tonight, we're going to go back to my house, and I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to do some turkeys too. So it's still, I got a long day ahead of me, guys. So bear with me and stay with me and see what's up. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, that's it for today. This day is over. Man, crazy day. The day before Thanksgiving. You know, what do you expect? Of course, it's going to be crazy. It's still relatively early. We closed at 5. It's 6 o'clock right now, but we've been open since 8 in the morning, guys. 8 in the morning. We got a lot of haircuts in. So tomorrow, my first appointment's at 7 a.m. I got them all stacked up. I'm booked up till 12 o'clock, so tomorrow's going to be a good day again. Tomorrow's only half day, so... The reason why right now I am leaving, and I am going to go start my turkeys right now at the house, because I'm actually behind. I'm not behind. I'm doing them today because I can't do them tomorrow. So I'm going to do them the day before. So right now it's about 6:15 right now. 6:15 oh my God, by the time I get started and get done, it's going to be midnight. So I'm going to shake you guys with me so you guys can see what's up, all right? See you guys in a little bit. So I'm right here in my backyard, guys. Right now, got my pot going right here for my deep fry. My oil in there. Check it out. I'm gonna drop my phone in there. So we gotta get our temperature up, but it's cold out here, so it's gonna be hard to get that temperature up. We're gonna just try it right here. See, hopefully I gotta get it up to 350 right now before I can drop the turkey in there. So we'll see what's up. Okay, I'm about to drop some crispy fries in there first. Alright, guys, I'm about to drop my first turkey in there. Crisp cut fries are done. Temperature's at 350 still. I'm gonna drop the first turkey. This you gotta drop in slow. Boils too much, you lift it up a little bit. I'll bring it down slowly. Yeah, bubbles too much, I'm going to bring it back up a little bit. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to have to pull the first bird out already. Pull it out. You gotta pull it out slowly, guys. Woo! See the view? See how the bone pulls back? Good shape. That one down. And we're gonna put the other one in right off the bat. Ready to go on the next one. 35 more minutes. 11-pound birds. Gotta drop it in slowly. You drop it in too fast, it's gonna overflow, so you gotta drop it in slowly. He was bubbling up too much. Gotta drop it down slowly. If you let go and move away. Oh, yeah. And you move away. "35 more minutes. First turkey down, 2 more to go. Check it out, guys. A little dark on that side, but that's just the skin, guys. Don't trip. That right there is my beautiful mother. Just in case you guys are wondering what it's looking like. Ooh. Looks pretty delectably delicious. Cutting up the first one. Make these little trays. That way tomorrow we just warm them up. Beating the traffic, guys. That's what you do when you gotta work tomorrow. First turkey's down. Second turkey's in the pot already. So I already broke up the first turkey. They're moving along quickly, guys. It's only 7:30 right now. I should be done in another, well, one more turkey, and then I'm gonna throw my ham in there. So I got 1 more hour of cooking. Papitas, saving myself some time tomorrow. Tomorrow I get to grind, make some money. This is what it's all about, making money and making our families happy. Look at this. You guys can only smell it. Smells delicious. Okay, guys, I'm about to pull out bird number 2 and put in bird number 3. This one came out a little darker. Drop the old, put in the new. Remember, guys, gotta go in slow. My glove. Gotta put it in slow, guys. Slow. It starts bubbling up, you gotta pull it up. Kind of the bubble all crazily. Always have your thermometer in there to know what temperature of the oil. This one looks a little darker than the last one, but once you cut that skin off, it's bomb. Okay guys, we're about to pull bird number 3. 35 minutes. Now we're gonna put in our ham. Boom. This is a little extra crispy too, check it out, but nonetheless, it's only the skin. Once you open it up, super bomb. So, we got 35 more minutes for the ham now.